The internet says you need to become an AI expert to build an AI business. That's terrible advice. It's the fastest way to waste months building something nobody will ever pay for. The real secret isn't knowing AI, it's finding a single, validated problem. And I'm going to show you how to find one this week, with no coding degree required. The barrier to starting a tech business used to be the tech itself, not anymore. With no-code AI platforms, the real value isn't in building, it's in knowing what to build. This is where your non-technical background becomes your superpower. While everyone else is lost in code, you're closer to the customer. You understand the workflows and pain points because you live them. Business don't buy AI, they buy outcomes. They buy more leads, lower costs, and less time wasted. The most successful AI entrepreneurs are problem experts. Your goal is to become a master of one specific business problem, not a master of AI. Tech is just the tool, and it's the easiest part of the equation. So, where do you find these valuable problems? You listen to complaints. Start with your own job. What manual, soul-crushing task does your team hate doing? Listen for phrases like, "It takes forever to," or "We keep messing this up." Are salespeople spending more time logging notes than selling? Is the support team manually triaging emails? Those are validated, expensive problems. You can also check industry forums where business owners complain publicly. Your task for the next 48 hours is to become a detective of pain. Write down every problem you find that costs a business time or money. Don't think about solutions yet. Then, pick one that's specific and costly. Instead of helping small businesses, zero in on helping dental clinics capture leads from their missed calls. Like helping dental clinics capture leads from their missed calls. That specificity is your key. Once you have a problem, you must validate that someone will pay to solve it. This is the step most people skip, and it's why they fail. Do not build anything yet. Instead, you're going to pitch an outcome, not AI. Craft what I call the $500 offer, a low-risk pilot project. Find 5 local businesses and send a simple pitch. "Hi, I specialize in solving missed calls after hours that lead to lost bookings. I've developed a system that texts missed callers. If it doesn't capture at least 5 new leads in the first month, you don't pay. This works because it's specific and low risk. Your goal isn't to get rich yet, it's to get one paying client. That's the ultimate validation. Okay, you have a paying client. Now you figure out the technology. And you'll use simple, no-code tools. For the dental clinic, use VoiceFlow or a custom GPT to build a bot. Use Zapier to send details to a Google Sheet. You can build a working version in a single weekend. The client doesn't care how you built it. They care that their problem is solved. Now you have a rock-solid case study. Now you can go to other clinics with proven results and charge what the solution is really worth. If this is clicking for you, I've put together a free one-page checklist called the Validated Problem Finder. It walks you through these exact steps to find and validate your first AI business idea this week. The biggest myth is that you have to quit your job and take a leap of faith. That's reckless. The smartest path is a staged transition. Keep your job. Your stable income is a strategic advantage, giving you the freedom to experiment without pressure. Aim for an extra $1,000 a month, then $2,000. Once your side business generates 30–50% of your corporate salary, that's your exit. This way, you're not taking a blind leap. You're building a sturdy bridge to your new career. As you start this journey, avoid these common traps. First is tool-first thinking. Don't learn a dozen tools before you have a problem. Master one simple tool that directly solves what your client pays you for. Second, building without validation. Never invest significant time before you have a paying client. That $500 check is your green light. Third, targeting an audience that's too broad. Helping small businesses is not a business model. Niche down until it hurts. And finally, quitting your job too early. Don't jump ship until your side income is stable and predictable. The massive opportunity in AI right now isn't about building models. It's about application, connecting technology to real-world problems. And you, with your unique industry experience, are in the perfect position to do that. Stop watching endless tutorials. Your lack of technical obsession is your advantage because it forces you to focus on the customer. Your mission this week is simple. Find one person complaining about a repetitive task, listen, validate, and create one offer. Comment on the problem you find, subscribe, and watch the next video to learn how to turn it into your first $500 pilot.